So good morning friends. We are going to discuss about the types of fall which is a part of water resources engineering. So first one is Ogee type fall. Basically this type of fall was firstly introduced by a British engineer working in India in 19th century, and the Ogee type fall first constructed by Sir Proby Curtley. Okay, so you can see here this is a Ogee type fall. Ogee type fall. Why this name as a Ogee? It is similar to the Ogee Shabdi spillway. So this is a name named as Ogee type fall. The main aim was to provide a smooth transition from the upstream to downstream water level, so and to avoid the disturbance and to reduce impact of the water. So this is the main purpose of construction of this type of Ogee type fall. But later it was rejected because of the because it is not able to avoid the scoring problem, and the second one is it is not sufficient to provide a smooth transition from the upstream to downstream water level. And main purpose of this fall is to dissipate the energy. It could not able to form these all activities. So later it was rejected. So next one is rapid fall. Okay, rapid fall. So you can see here this is a rapid fall, and this is upstream side, this is downstream side, and this is the FSL of the water in the river or canal, we can say. So what is the main base of this rapid fall? So first construction in the western Yamuna canal, and provided with long sloping floor. You can see here this is a long sloping floor, and this sloping floor is called glacis, having gentle slope in the ratio of 1:10 to 1:20. So this part is known as glacis. And you can see also here that these falls were provided with boulder facing, and this is a long slope here, and these falls worked quite satisfactory in that time, so these are used. And right now we can also see this type of rapid fall in the construction. Third one is stepped fall. Stepped fall. What is stepped fall? Stepped fall, you can see here, as name suggests, steps is provided. Steps are provided in the construction of this type of fall, and it is the modified form of this rapid fall, in which the glacis was replaced by a long stepped floor. You can see here these are the long stepped floor, and become very popular because of it could not be very popular because of high construction cost. So this is not economical, but there are some advantages here, that energy dissipation was well, and by knowing this concept, by seeing this stepped fall, the concept of cistern were evolved at that time. So this is the main part of this stepped fall, main advantage of this stepped fall. And next one is Montague fall. You can see here Montague, Montague fall, MONTAGUE, Montague fall. This is nothing but it is a modified form of a glacis fall. Modified form of the glacis fall, in which parabolic glacis known as Montague profile. You can see here, if we provide the slope in place of this ogee in such a way that a parabolic shape is provided like this in the bed side, in the bed slope. So this parabolic part is stand for Montague fall, and overall all data will be remain same. So this is the parabolic part, parabolic portion, and Montague fall provide a solution to the problem of residual energy of after the formation of the hydraulic jump, and this fall did not become very popular because the problem of construction of these type of parabolic glacis. So these were not, this type of fall was not very popular. And next one is English fall. What is the English fall? In this fall, it is also the modified form of glacis fall, in which in this type of fall a baffle wall of a certain height is provided after this slope, after this bed. So means if we provide a baffle wall here, so it is known as English fall, in which the facility and this due to this baffle wall, hydraulic jump phenomena is produced, and the concept of cistern was developed from after this English fall. After this, cistern is provided here. So energy distribution will take place in this English type flow, will takes place, energy takes place. So these are the 5 types of fall we have seen here, and remaining falls we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.